This isn't just the routine, it's a mindset. Welcome to the MOG Tactical How-To series. My name is Ondrej from Tactical Combat Academy here in sunny Slovakia. In today's episode, we will walk through the essential safety drill before handling your sidearm. The safety drill is a short routine to confirm your weapon is clear before any handling, training or a dry practice. Let's do a short breakdown of the safety drill. So when I choose my safe direction, you can have the firearm pointing always to the safe direction. With my thumb or pointing finger, I'm checking if there is a magazine in the pistol or source of ammunition. Taking the magazine out, a full magazine, I can put to the holster, empty magazine always to the pocket. After that, I'm wrapping a slider at least 3 times, locking the slider in the rear position, going with my hand forward without changing the angle of the pistol down, pointing in front of me, or up, pointing over my safe direction and going front. I see a bullet chamber coming here. I see through my magazine well on the ground. If it's night or dark or different conditions, I check with my finger, taking slider, let slider go, and I can reholster and the weapon is safely disarmed. Safety check is a mental reset. It tells you, I'm aware, I'm in control, I'm responsible. So make it a habit every time. Thank you for watching, see you in the next episode, and don't forget, carry your firearm always with respect. When the bullet is out of the barrel, he doesn't know who is a friend and who is the enemy. He kills everything. Important hack about the magazine. We said that full mag we can put to the magazine holster and empty always to the pocket. It's for a reason. You prevent in stressful conditions that you are loading an empty magazine with the wrong habit to the gun. So keep in mind, full mag you can put back to the holster, empty mag always to your pocket.